गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल वन सपोर्ट नीट। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हमारी पूरी एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ का टॉपिक थर्ड, पोस्ट फर्टिलाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड इवेंट्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच पार्ट ऑफ द फ्रूट लेबल्ड इन द गिवन फिगर मेक्स इट अ फॉल्स फ्रूट? ए बी सी डी। ए बी एंडोकार्प, बी सी थैलामस, सी डी सीड, ए डी ई ए मीजोकार्प। इसका राइट आंसर है बी सी थैलामस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। द रेसिडुअल persistent part which forms the perisperm in the seeds of beet is A. Integuments, B. Calyx, C. Endosperm, D. Nucellus. Right answer is D. Nucellus. Next question. In some plants, thalamus contributes to fruit formation. Such fruits are termed as. Answer is B. False fruits. Next question. Which one of the following statements regarding post-fertilization development in flowering plants is incorrect? A. Ovary develops into fruit. B. Zygote develops into embryo. C. Central cell develops into endosperm. D. Ovules develop into embryo sac. Right answer is D. Ovules develop into embryo sac. Non-albuminous seed is produced in A. Maize, B. Castor, C. Wheat, D. Pea. Right answer is D. Pea. Next question. Perisperm differs from endosperm in A. Having no reserve food, B. Being a diploid tissue, C. Its formating by fusion of secondary nucleus with several sperms, D. Being a haploid tissue. Right answer is B. Being a diploid tissue. Next question. Seed coat is not thin, membranous in A. Coconut, B. Groundnut, C. Gram, D. Maize. Right answer is coconut. A. Next question. The viability of seeds is tested by A. Safranin, B. 2,6-dichlorophenol indophenols, C. 2,3,5 triphenyl tetrazolium chloride, D. DMSO. Right answer is C. 2,3,5 triphenyl tetrazolium chloride. Next question. Albuminous seeds store their reserve food mainly in A. Perisperm, B. Endosperm, C. Cotyledons, D. Hypocotyles. Answer is B. Endosperms. Next question. Which of the following statements is not true about somatic embryogenesis? Options. A. Somatic embryo develops from a somatic cell. B. The pattern of development of a somatic embryo is comparable to that of a zygotic embryo. C. Somatic embryos can develop from microspores. D. Somatic embryo is induced usually by an auxin such as 2,4-D. Right answer is C. Somatic embryos can develop from microspores. Next question. A drupe develops in A. Mango, B. Wheat, C. Pea, D. Tomato. Right answer is A. Mango. Next question. Apomictic embryos in citrus arise from A. Synergids, B. Maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule, C. Antipodal cells, D. Diploid eggs. Right answer is B. Maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule. Next question. The scutellum observed in a grain of wheat or maize is comparable to which part of the seed in other monocotyledons? A. Cotyledon, B. Endosperm, C. Aluron layer, D. plumule. Right answer is A. Cotyledons. Next question. A fruit developed from Hypanthodium inflorescens is called Sorosis, Syconus, C. Caryopsis, D. Hesperidium. Right answer is C. Syconus. Next question. Cotyledons and testa respectively are edible parts in A. Walnut and tamarind, B. French bean and coconut, C. Cashew nut and lychee, D. Groundnut and pomegranate. Answer is D. Groundnut and pomegranate. Next question. An example of a seed with endosperm, perisperm and carioncule. A. Coffee. B. Lily. C. Castor. D. Cotton. Right answer is C. Castor. Next question. Endosperm is consumed by developing embryos in the seed of A. Coconut. B. Castor. C. Pea. D. Maize. Right answer is B. C. Question number 123. Dry indehiscent single-seeded fruit formed from bicarpellary syncarpus inferior ovary is A. Caryopsis. B. Cypsela. C. Berry. D. Cremocarp. Answer is B. Cypsela. Next question. The fleshy receptacle of Cyconus of fig encloses a number of A. Achenes. B. Samaras. C. Berries. D. Mericarp. Right answer is A. Achenes. Question number 125. The fruit is chambered, developed from inferior ovary and has seeds with succulent testa in A. Pomegranate. B. Orange. C. Guava. D. Cucumber. Right answer is A. Pomegranate. Next question. Question number 126. Top-shaped multi-ciliate male gametes and the mature seed which bears only one embryo with two cotyledons are characteristic features of A. Cycads. B. Conifers. C. Polypetalous angiosperm. D. Gamopetal. Question 126. Top-shaped multiciliate male gametes and the mature seed which bears only one embryo with two cotyledons are characteristic features of A. Cycads. B. Conifers. C. Polypetalous angiosperms. D. Gamopetalous angiosperms. Right answer is A. Cycads. Next question. Why is viviparity an undesirable character for annual crop plants? A. It reduces the vigor of the plant. B. It adversely affects the fertility of the plant. C. The seeds exhibit long dormancy. D. The seeds cannot be stored under normal conditions for the next question. Study of formation, growth and development of new individual from an egg is apomixis. B. Embryology. C. Embryogeny. D. Cytology. Right answer is B. Embryogeny. Next question number 130. Tegment develops from A. Funiculus. B. Chalaza. C. Inner integument. D. Outer integuments. Right answer is C. Inner integument. Next question. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है अपना. पार्थेनोजेनेसिस इज ए. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. बी. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फ्रूट विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. सी. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फ्रूट विदाउट हॉर्मोन्स. डी. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो फ्रॉम एग विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. राइट आंसर इज डी. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो फ्रॉम एग विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा एपोमिक्सिस एंड पॉलीएम्ब्रियोनी. इसको हम पार्ट 4 में कवर करेंगे. तब तक के लिए बनी रहिए इस चैनल पर, बर्न सपोर्ट नीड पर. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.